Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna. This is my channel, Revive Beauty. I don't want my glasses to show you the glare of the lights. But today I did something, I just finished it. It's for Fat Tuesday, Mardi Gras, and I was so excited to show you guys. I'm gonna try to get this out today. I have a bunch of feathers on me, so that's a little hint. But stay tuned, stay and watch. Let me know what you think. Leave me some comments, hit the like, and hit the subscribe button for me, please. Please. Anyway, I'll see you at the end. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so here's our project. And I have the boa, I have the paper, which is called Carnival Queen. I have these little strips I bought from Temu. And this frame, I've had it a couple of years in my garage. It was pretty, but it's going to be magnificent. So these little strips, they're like foam and they're very thin, they're very bendable, very ornate, but and lightweight. So I purchased them from Temu, I'm sorry. And so I decided I was going to use those. And I'm telling you, trying to do those miter corners, nope, nope, not for me. It's not perfect. I really screwed up some of those. You can see little brown spots. So I went around them. I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I thought I was going to paint the picture frame gold, but I decided to use this purple. It's called Majestic Purple, and it's from the Plaster Paint Company. I will leave a link if anyone's interested. It's a chalk paint. It's a metallic chalk paint, and it is amazing. So majestic. Yeah, she's going to be majestic. You wait and see. And so I went around it, and then I used a top coat because, it's chalk paint. And I used a Folk Art Dragonfly Glaze color changing top coat, acrylic gloss finish. It's called Red Velvet Blue Shift. So I used it over the purple, and it just didn't really make a huge difference in it. Just really didn't do anything, but it was a top coat, so it sealed it. I did put it over the picture also, and that made it really stand out. It was really pretty. So I put this all around. Got it dry. So let's see. Got it dry. And then I believe I'm going to decoupage the picture and get it going. And I'm using Mod Podge, watered down. I'm getting that all down. Let's see. So she is called the Carnival Queen. And, I had to do this for Fat Tuesday. I was trying to get it done sooner, but when I realized today was Fat Tuesday, I said, oh, I got to get this done today. I want to get it posted today. So I've been working really hard trying to get this done. This is the only project on this video, but it's so worth it. It's just so magnificent. I mean, it took me over 3 hours to do. You guys are only seeing, 11 minutes of it? But at least you guys are getting the gif of it. So here I'm using that dragonfly glaze over the picture, and it really made it sparkle. Because this is a very colorful image. I'm getting tired. I can hardly talk now. So now I'm going to pull these feathers off that boa and get them on here. And, that top purple, quarter of the picture frame, you're not going to even notice because it's going to be full of feathers. And I didn't have any yellow. I wish I did, but it didn't come with yellow, so I'm just using what I have. I just didn't even think about grabbing a yellow boa. And here we go. Getting it all done. Using hot glue is not my fan, but I managed to do all this without burning my fingers, which is really a miracle. So just sort of filling it in some of the bald spots. This was an applique that I had purchased from Totally Dazzled. And so I decided to use that as her headband to her feather crown. And I'm just blowing it off. I had a lot of loose strings around it and loose feathers. And I put a fleur-de-lis there on her neck, sort of like on her chest, sort of like a necklace. And I did use the little mask brooch there on the corner. Here I'm adding rhinestones all around her face. I did them around her eyes, like a little eyeliner, rhinestone eyeliner. Just different places where she had, decoration on her. And they're really sparkly, really pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product here. So I'm going around trying to pick which rhinestones I want to use where. So I used a lot of different colors, as you can see, because she has a lot of different colors on her. Oh, so now I'm going around that trim with Rub and Buff, just to give it some highlights of gold around it. I do need to finish this off and go around the edge of the frame. I just was in such a hurry to get it done for you guys. Now I'm using Stickles. And Stickles is very shiny, glittery. It's a glitter glue. And you have to do Stickles last because it takes a long time for them to dry. So I'm doing this last just to give the picture some more pizzazz. And it just turned out so good. Hopefully the picture will do it justice. Me holding it up for you will do it justice. Um, so I used blue, green, black, and I used a color called sandstone. It's sort of a goldish look to it. I used all those colors of Stickles on this. Hey, welcome back. What'd you guys think? I mean, really. So I've been planning this project since January. I went and bought the boa to get it done. I got it at Hobby Lobby. But the funny thing about this is I just came in, set the bag down over here in my working area. And it was totally my fault. So my dog got a hold of it and I didn't know. And so he ate a bunch of the feathers. So I had a lot of missing feathers in the boa, but I was still able to get it done. But the next few days, let's just say he had some very colorful poops in the yard. So I had all kinds of different colors around the yard for a few days. Anyway, I thought that was a funny story. But You guys, I hope you liked it. It's drying, you know, when you use stickles, it takes a long time to dry. But I'm going to pick it up and show you guys the final product. So I am so happy with it. I hope you guys are too. But here we go. She is our Carnival queen. What do you guys think? I love her. I think she's just fantastic. Anyway, that's my project. It's not perfect. Not perfect at all, but I love it. Anyway, thanks. Make sure you like, subscribe, give me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. The sweet comments just melt my heart. So please, most of all, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build that up. Anyway, thank you. And I shall see you guys on the next round. I have a few projects in the works. Hopefully I'll have them out here soon. I'll see you guys on the next round. Bye.